These are the balloons in Walmart. So they're not displaying the balloons, but they have display here in the shelves, like the helium. So it's 49, and we have a sample here. Happy birthday! Look at that. So you can put sticks on also. Oh, I'm sorry. It's fall down everything. I'm gonna return it. This $1, guys. Look at that. See? It's beautiful. See, balloons. And we have also here happy. This one, look at that. And the Batman. We have also here this is a Paw Patrol. This car's also here. Look at that. There's a happy birthday rainbow. See? And there's also here it says in the happy birthday too. And also there's a big one here. It's beautiful. It's so big. Look at this. 39 in-ear fill balloon. And look at this, the big one. So this is 14. It's more cheaper here compared to other balloon party. Look at that. See? There's more, guys. Look at this. It's a lot. And also here, the decor. See? 6. This one. And also this one, the backdrop at the back. There's also black available. See, there's also here and gold and rainbow and silver. So look at that. Also here, balloon art kits and also this. See. And also here's a emoji, smiley. And also here, look at that. And there's one also, the rainbow. They're so big. Now it's sale 9. The rainbow and the big one. But you need to buy this air inflator. There's a lot of air inflator. This is a small one here also, and this one too. There's a cowboy if you live in Texas. Look at that, cowboy boots. And also this one. Look at that, guys. There's a lot. Unicorn. There's also here mermaid, clouds, happy birthdays, the bees, the dinosaur, the rockets. Amazing. Look at this. There's also simple one there. The marble like that. Teeny punch. And these are the numbers. See? Also here, look at that. The butterfly. So you can see that. It's beautiful. And the numbers too. There's also the regular one. See? It's a lot. It's $1 each. And this also the blue one here, the gold one. You can pause the video, guys, if you like. See? And the stick here. I like this. Look at that. It's beautiful. The balloon centerpiece kit. It's beautiful, right? And also the regular one here. See? And there is in the back also the one with stand, the small one. If you like this one here. It's that. Happy birthday. And also here, you can put here the candy or the chocolates and the dinosaur if you like. See? And this one too. I think that's all for now. Oh, there's one more here, Spider-Man. I think this is for the boys. Therefore, Spider-Man style for birthday party. Yeah, the balloons. 6 balloons here, Spider-Man. Look at that. Also this one. There's also Minecraft. The decor. So I think that's all, guys.